Good morning guys, today I've planned to find some shop with electronics. I need to buy the protector lens for my GoPro Max, because as you could recognize from previous videos, there is on the footage from this camera there is something on the screen. There are a lot of scratches, you know. The clothes looks pretty good. Colors are good. It seems to be clean. Now I'm going to train station. I'm going to look for some shop with electronic. That's today's mission. Alright, I should be here. The shop should be somewhere there in the street. And yeah, I hope they are open and I hope they have the protector for the lens. Should be here. They don't have it, and unfortunately he said it's very hard to get this in Istanbul. I don't know, I will search it on Google and I will see. Need to withdraw my money in ATM because in the shop their machine on the credit card doesn't work with my card, like Citizen. The machine works just with Turkish cards, so I need to pay in cash. So yeah, I need to withdraw my money and I will come back there. Too many shops here with electronic. I got it guys, I got it. It costs 200 lira. I think it's better price than in Czech Republic. So my footage from GoPro will now be very clear and it will be finally okay and no scratches there. And the footage will be perfect. Yesterday I found on TikTok a really good song. It's called Baba. I think it's from Turkish interpret, and I need to know more about this song, the history, because it's banger and yeah, it's a very powerful song. I got it. Let's try it. Let's put it on the camera. Oh yes! Wow! Okay. Look at it. I got there 2 pair of that for lower price. Then I got just 1 pair of this protective lenses in Czech Republic. You know, in my Czech Republic it was more expensive for 1 pair than it is here in Turkey for 2 pairs. Wow, amazing guys, really amazing. So I'm using that because the camera was very expensive. I don't want to have scratches on the lens, you know. And I prefer scratches on these protective lenses, or these protectors, than on the lens itself. Wow! This is Happy Lukas. Remember that. This is one of the best expenses what I ever done in my life, you know, because 360 content, it's alright guys, alright. The mission is completed. It was very successful mission, and this is the end of this vlog. See you tomorrow. Subscribe me, follow me, like me, guys. Bye.